Hi everybody, this is Owen again from Owen Travels, and today I'll be featuring you a very nice town of Morristown, New Jersey in the United States. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll get updated with my next videos. Centered on its historic green, the town of Morristown is a socially and ethnically diverse community offering a wide range of amenities to residents and visitors alike. George Washington stayed here, for Morristown served as his headquarters for two different winter encampments during the Revolutionary War. The National Trust of Historic Preservation has named Morristown one of its dozen distinctive destinations. In and around Morristown are a wide number of historic attractions, museums, Washington's headquarters. So now let's enjoy a very nice neighborhood of Morristown, New Jersey. That's about it, everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you like this video of Morristown, New Jersey. Anyway, I'll be uploading an airline review next time, so please watch out for that. Once again, safe travels, everybody. Merry Christmas.